Mirror, mirror on the wall, I am you and you are me. Who am I to be? Show me the way. I believe in you and whatever you set your mind to do. My ever dearest one, you can do anything you put your heart and mind to. This message should fully resonate. Feel it deep within. This is for you. Feel it. Do you feel it? Reach for the stars, my dear, and then don't stop there until you find tranquility and clarity. My only wish for you is to be happy through eternity. I love you more and more than you'll ever know. This message is for you.